Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Python, the datetime module provides classes for working with dates and times. This tutorial will guide you through creating a datetime object, which is useful for representing and manipulating dates and times in your Python programs. Start by importing the datetime module. The datetime module contains the datetime class, which we will use to create our datetime object. To create a datetime object, you can use the datetime class constructor. The constructor takes the year, month, day, hour, minute, second, and microsecond as arguments. You can provide these values based on the date and time you want to represent. Here's an example creating a datetime object for the current date and time. In this example, datetime.datetime.now returns a datetime object representing the current date and time. If you want to create a datetime object for a specific date and time, you can do so by passing the individual components as arguments. For example, in this example, we create a datetime object for May 15th, 2023, at 12:30 p.m. Once you have a datetime object, you can access its individual components using attributes such as year, month, day, hour, minute, second, and microsecond. For example, creating a datetime object in Python is straightforward using the datetime module. You can represent the current date and time or specify a specific date and time by providing the necessary components. Once you have a datetime object, you can easily access its individual components for further manipulation in your Python programs. ChatGPT.